Hi, this is Judy Osborne, Osborne's Realty, here today with our series of the 10 steps in buying a home. Let's review. Number 1, save for your down payment. 3.5% FHA, 5% conventional. Have a budget and do your research. There are lots of low down payment options if your income and your credit score is right for the program. Number 2, know your credit score. This stays with you all your life. Clean up your credit score. Outside debts and loans, credit cards. Reduce the balance, not to zero, especially on your credit cards. You want to keep a running balance, a low running balance, where you're showing a history that you are reliable to pay people back money you owe them. If you pay off your credit card and close your account, that's going to hurt your credit. Number 3, find a real estate broker, a local professional like myself, to guide you through the process. That's Judy Osborne, Osborne's Realty, 704-763-4486. I'm licensed in North and South Carolina. Number 4, get pre-approved. This will present yourself as a serious buyer and have a better sense of what your budget is in your comfort zone. Owning a home should be not a stressful situation where you can't even buy a cup of coffee. Plus, the sellers are not wanting you in the house, looking at the house, unless you are pre-approved. This is not pre-qualified. This is pre-approved. This is a step up. Number 5, and this is the one that is the most fun. This is finding the right house while working with your broker that fits in your budget and that meets your needs. And this is really fun. There's lots of different ways you go about it. Number 6, the new one for today. Make an offer to determine your price and negotiate the contract. Now, this is real important. Today, we are in multiple offer situation because the inventory is so low. We'll have, say, 250 homes on the market. We'll have 240 of them sell in one day. And so the real estate is moving, especially if it's priced right and in the right condition and the right location for you. So you need to be aware of this. Your agent will give you comps of what have sold in the area to help you make the right offer on the home. But be prepared for multiple offers. So say if you are pre-approved for $250 and then there's multiple offers, you people that get the house pay $260 for it, then if your budget won't allow you, you need to go down to $240 tops looking for houses if you're willing to go up and over the asking price to buy the home. So there's different ways your agent, like myself, can advise you, and there's other options too besides buying existing homes. And so give me a call, text, email, 704-763-4486. This pre-approval steps is important. When you're negotiating, you can't go out of your budget. You won't get a loan now. They're changing every time. They're saying in July, August, they may be lowering the interest rates again. And if this happens, they will tighten up more on the credit. That's what they do all the time. Now, as the economy picks up, they will raise the rates. Whether they're going to remove the stricter credit limits, we don't know. There's no way for us to tell. But I will tell you the value is moving up because we don't have any inventory. The forbearance people, 90% of them have 10% or more equity in their home. So anyone with 10% equity, there's a high probability the bank's not going to repossess them. They're going to figure out a way to work with them and for them to stay in the home. The banks, it's not like it was in the housing recession we had in 2009 through 2015. We don't have a abundance of houses on the market. It's not a housing crisis. It is a health crisis. It is a big difference. So again, I'm willing to work with you, help you any way I can. If you know of anyone needs to buy or sell, or maybe if you a homeowner, you love your house you're in, it's not too small for you, you just want to refinance. So I advised a couple this week of checking into the refinancing because they don't want to sell. They hadn't even been in the house a year, but it's an opportunity where they could lower their interest rate by a point or more. It's according on what the interest rates go down to. Anyway, I'm here to help. 704-763-4486. Judy with Osborne's Realty. Have fun. Thanks. Bye-bye.